Hi, I hope you're all good. I'm trying to read through all our comments, some lovely comments here, and some requests. So one of the requests that came through was chicken and cashew nuts. This is a very simple dish. 5 minutes preparation, probably 5-10 minutes cooking time. Probably 5 minutes cooking time, realistically. These are our ingredients. So you can get chicken, either raw or pre-cooked. You can buy these in the supermarket now, pre-cooked. Some vegetables, so it's very basic, this dish. So some carrots, onion, spring onions, bamboo shoots and water chestnuts. You can get these in many supermarkets now, smaller tins. Shaoxing wine, a good substitute for that is Stone's ginger wine, light and dark soy sauce, sesame oil. And this is something different, so if you're allergic to soya, like my wife is, we use this because it's made with wheat. But if you've got a wheat allergy, just use the soy sauce. And Cooking Mums do a wheat-free soy sauce. So for allergies, this is a good dish because you can leave things out like wheat if you don't want to put wheat in. Okay, let's start. So we're going to put our wok on. So we need high intensity heat, of course, with any Chinese cooking. So I'm going to start preparing our vegetables. Once again, our usual. Smash the garlic. Get the husk away. Turn that all the way to one side. Make sure all the husk is out. So give it a slight mash and it'll come off naturally. Yep. So there you go. All the husk away. And then just a little smash. Smash. Little smash. Just a light cut through. So it's quite rustic, this dish. So, just a little bit of oil. So again, all in one take. Little oil, swig that around. Make your wok non-stick. So, first of all, the garlic. I get it sizzling. Onion, cubed. So like I say, quite rustic. Then start the flavours up. There you go. Got a carrot for colouring, and maybe your 5 a day. So about half of that. So that starts nicely off. So just put this knife under here. I'm going to cut my meat next, so change the knife. And a change of board. So here, you can either use raw meat or cooked chicken meat, so just cut it into chopstick sized pieces. So put that in there to get some flavouring in. So, pop this around. Try not to let it all burn. And then, this is when you put your stock in. So you can either use chicken stock or our famous kettle water. So the art of this dish is more water, more sauce. So we'll let that sizzle up. And like you say, you can get these bamboo shoots in smaller tins now in many supermarkets. So probably half a tin. And half a tin of those. Okay. And then we're going to use some spring onions. So they take less time to cook. So bring back my vegetable knife. And this is really to put in at the end just for garnishing. There you go, because they cook quite quickly. So there we have it. We're going to sizzle away, hoping we've got more heat than we have. This time, good for seasoning time. So a bit of salt, pepper, sesame oil, light soy sauce for flavouring. And some lovely Shaoxing wine. So, at the takeaway, if we thicken this up now and serve it, this would be chicken with bamboo shoots and water chestnuts. But the request that came through is chicken with cashew nuts. So when it's nearly ready, we'll add some cashew nuts right at the end, because we don't want them to go all salty. So we'll wait for it to boil up a bit. There you go, cashew nuts. You can get unroasted or roasted. So use the roasted type because it's much better. But if you get unroasted, you can roast them in either the oven or when you've got some oil on, just deep fry it, or use a saucepan, just shallow fry them. So we're going to cut these ones open, and then when the sauce is thickened, I'm going to put them in. So it's been cooking for about 3 or 4 minutes now, so it's bubbling away nicely, and the sauce is quite thin still. We've had a taste, and it tastes really nice. So we're just going to get our cornflour slurry, which we've made up already. There we go. Hopefully by this point everybody knows what cornflour slurry is. A bit of cornflour, a bit of water, and this helps thicken the sauce. So just a little bit in at a time, and then you can work out how thick you want your sauce. So more cornflour, the thicker it gets. But if you put too much cornflour in, don't worry, just add a bit more water in. So it's a bit of learning and seeing where it goes. So there we go, the nice consistency you want. And then we're just going to colour it a bit darker with some dark soy sauce, because I prefer a darker colour. There you go. That goes through nicely. And then these take literally 20 seconds just to keep through. And then cashew nuts. There you go. Beautiful. Chicken and cashew nuts as we have it. Right, just serve that up. So we put the cashew nuts right at the end, so they stay nice and crispy and crunchy. Dinner time, and there we have it. Chicken with cashew nuts. I'll just get a pair of chopsticks and have a try. And there we have it, chicken with cashew nuts. Let's have a try, a bit of sauce. Lovely with a bit of boiled rice. Tender chicken and still crunchy nuts. Hope you enjoy this one. Thank you.